Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open a Toyota Avalon trunk. First, let's start with the most common method, your key fob. Look for the button with a trunk icon, usually located near the bottom. Simply press and hold this button for about 1 second. You will hear a click, and the trunk lid will pop open slightly, ready for you to lift it fully. It's a quick and convenient way to access your cargo space. Next, let's explore the interior trunk release. Inside your Avalon, you'll find a dedicated button for the trunk. This is typically located on the driver's side dashboard, often to the left of the steering wheel, or sometimes on the driver's door panel. A single press of this button will unlatch the trunk, allowing you to open it from inside the vehicle. This is handy when you're already in the car. Sometimes you might need to use the physical key. On the trunk lid itself, usually above the license plate, you will find a small keyhole. Take your physical key, often hidden within your key fob, and insert it into this lock. Give the key a firm turn, typically clockwise, to manually unlock the trunk. This method is especially useful if your key fob battery is dead or if you prefer a traditional approach. Finally, for safety, it's crucial to know about the emergency trunk release. If someone ever accidentally gets locked inside the trunk, they can pull this handle. It's a small, glow-in-the-dark lever or cord, usually located near the trunk latch on the inside. A firm pull on this handle will immediately release the trunk, allowing for a quick and safe exit. This feature is a vital safety measure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.